Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, day 2 in Baguio. I am 20 kilometers away from Baguio, exploring Atuk mountain. Right now, we are in Siged Tublay. Beautiful place behind me. Look at, wow. This is a very nice viewpoint. Look at it. It's very steep down. And the trees behind me, seriously, the view is fantastic. That's why I stopped it. At the same time, this is the first sunlight almost like 2 days. For me, I'm not very fan of the cold climate. I like the hot climate. Either way, when you have to explore, you need to go through everywhere. Especially the misty condition. Look at the bus going to Baguio and see that all the mist rolling down over here. Seriously, it's a beautiful place. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Alright, right now we are here in Ongong Falls. The time is 8:30. Current situation, we need to go to the barangay hall and get the information. So there is an orientation also available. I don't know where is the barangay hall. I need to find the barangay hall. Otherwise, I cannot go through this door. Look at that. They locked it already, so we need to respect that. It's a beautiful location, as you can see. You have viewpoint. Let's see the viewpoint. Wow. Seriously, fantastic. Look at that. Nice. Maybe before go to the barangay hall, fly the drone, get some drone shot. Because in this place, we never know when it's going to start raining. That's the main thing. So let's get some drone shot. Alright, on the way to my destination, you can see a lot of sceneries and view decks, especially this one. They built for it. We are going to the third level. This is Barangay Beleng-Belis, municipality of Kapangan. That's what they said. So let's go and check it out. It's a beautiful viewpoint. Seriously. Wow. Somebody have an interest of local natures. See that. How beautiful it is. This chamber is echoing. Wow. Look at that. You get a 360 view actually. 360 view. Wow. The waterfalls I came for it from there. That one there. That is the place, the waterfalls. Air distance maybe around 10 kilometer. But I came very long, far away. Look at that. Beautiful. It's nice. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Let's go to the third level. There's one more level down there with a restroom, everything. Either way, this place is not completed yet. But they have a beautiful sensation. Seriously, it's a perfect spot for viewpoint and building a view deck. Look at that. Wow. Seriously beautiful. Wow. It's nice. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.